The phrase, "death by tourism," is apt since unchecked tourism growth can damage and ruin the same thing that travelers are paying for. The spotless shorelines, stunning reefs, or the neighborhood market. The industry struggles to offer high-quality products that meet customers' expectations as domestic, regional, and international tourism grows. The price tourists are ready to pay will decrease if unchecked growth endangers the tourist industry. Simply put, our clients will abandon the location altogether. The tourism sector must adopt a more sustainable form of travel to prevent unwanted effects. The sector supports a number of channels, including certification procedures and sustainability programs. Additionally, several governments are working to brand items, develop a more sustainable tourism sector, and keep businesses profitable over the long term. Over the past few decades, these schemes have become widespread in the tourism sector. With hundreds of programs tailored to individual travel agencies, locations, hotel brands, and nationalities. The process of guaranteeing the industry and customers that the evaluated company has met a set of basic requirements is known as tourist sustainability certification. The goal of certification has been to attain voluntary standards that are equal to or higher than minimum requirements or legal requirements. The three primary categories of sustainability certification programs are as follows. The first level certification involves a tourist destination or business that has developed its own sustainability management system. It might be developed to fit all needs, or political, or sector-specific priorities. The quality of the scheme in this level is not verified by any external organization. Therefore, there's a risk that the scheme might not meet national or international norms and standards. If the scheme only exists as a written document with no tangible actions and results, it could be labeled greenwash, implying that it will not change anything towards improving sustainability. However, a well-thought-out plan can make a change towards sustainability, even for this kind of certification system. The second level of certification is where a local or international organization develops a set of criteria for business to meet. It could be based on local needs and priorities and may even follow international standards. The organization responsible for the content or the criteria will check and approve the destination or business. If the criteria well thought out, there could be a useful tool towards sustainability. Again, the certification document needs to be followed by tangible action and result. If not, it could also be labeled as greenwash. The third level certification is much like the second certification level, however a major difference lies in the control. As soon as a tourist destination has implemented a set of criteria developed by an international independent organization, a third-party verifier, a so-called auditor, will assess whether that destination or business meets the developed criteria. This adds some credibility to the system, as the auditor has no connection to the destination or business, or the organization responsible for developing the criteria. Most international certification systems such as Green Globe, EarthCheck, Green Key, and TravLife follow this practice. Across the tourism industry, these different sustainability certification schemes have been adapted, and the required practices promoted as standard operating procedures at hotels. For example, in Europe, where water-conserving fittings, energy-saving technologies, linen reuse etc., have been implemented. Particular elements of the sustainability management plans have enabled companies to reduce cost mainly as it relates to water, waste and energy. In addition, some hotels and destinations have used the certification schemes as an integrated aspect of marketing and strengthening its relationship with local and international stakeholders. There isn't much evidence to support the claim that market shares are greatly increased by sustainability certification programs, especially in low-income nations among small and medium-sized businesses. This is corroborated by a poll of 120,000 hotel guests in the U.S., which revealed that while customers appreciate the potential of green operations, they did not take price, amenities, rooms, food, and beverages into account when choosing a hotel. Only a small fraction of customers worldwide are willing to pay more for products that correspond to social and environmental criteria. If investing in sustainability measures affects short-term revenue, a tourist business in a low-income nation may not find many incentives to do so. Additionally, it diverts funds away from recognized effective products and marketing initiatives, like building a bigger pool. A hotel using a sustainability plan may face unfair competition if national rules and enforcement do not support a tourist development environment where the best use of resources is encouraged and pollution is penalized. But, efforts to create a more sustainable tourism business are expected to continue, and certification programs will certainly play a role in that. But, they must be adjusted for a low-income environment, and ideally with more support from policies and enforcement rules.